Now we're going to mix our paints. Using the eyedropper tool, which is 1, 2, 3, fourth one down, we're going to sample the color from the red tube. Then we go to the paint mixer brush, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ninth tool down mixer brush, and then we're going to mix some paint. So what I'm going to do is a little bit, oh, sorry, before I do that, I need to be on the paint mix layer. So select that, and then I'm going to select the first palette, and I'm going to go outside the lines because I want to see the difference for the red, because we're going to be mixing. So here's just plain red, and then we're going to go back to the eyedropper, shoot, I just don't remember. Oh, there it is, right underneath the cropping tool. And then we sample the blue, then we select the brush, and then I'm going to paint over, and we're making purple. So purple and blue, or sorry, red and blue make purple. And if I go outside, so I'm just going to go over here on the side, we can see just the plain blue. And so now we have purple. Then we choose the eyedropper tool. We choose the purple color that we created. Then we go back to our mixer brush and put in that purple. So we can see now that it's a rich purple. And I believe we select, are we mixing another color into the purple? I thought we had to mix yellow, but I don't think we do. So then we get the blue on the third palette. So we need an eyedropper, choose blue, then we choose the mixer brush again, and we paint half of the palette blue. Fill the last circle, let's see. Sample the yellow, okay, I'll start again. From point 8, use the eyedropper tool to sample the blue color from the blue paint, and then use a mixer brush to paint blue in half the circle. Okay, we got that part. Tip, when switching tools, often as in these steps, it is useful to watch the pointer icon to make sure the active tool is the one you currently want. Okay, I got that. Number 9, sample the yellow color from the yellow tube and slowly paint over the blue with the wet brush to mix the two colors. Okay. We need the eyedropper. I'm going to sample the yellow. Then I'm going to use the mixer brush, and I'm mixing. You can see where I'm mixing that one half. I don't really see that much of a color difference, and I don't see that much of a color difference in the book either. So we're going to fill the circle. The next one, we're going to go back and add the yellow, and I want to go outside so I can see the difference. Then we're going to use the eyedropper again to sample the red. Choose the mixer brush, and over the red with the yellow makes orange. And if I go outside, you can see how red that is. And if I was to use the sampler, the eyedropper, to click and then use the brush, we can see it doesn't look that orange to me, but it definitely doesn't look that red. Oh, you know what the other thing is? Nope, there's no white base. So The other thing they talk about in the book is cleaning your brushes. So right here on the top bar, I can clean my brush. So maybe I had to clean it, and I already have it sampled, and that's color still stays the same. Let's see what else. Did we cover everything? Save your work. We'll be working on the circles layer next.